What you got there, honey?
I have another charger holder slash organizer.
Okay. And
Alright. This is for my daughter-in-law.
oh, cool.
Yeah. And this is actually made out of fabric that I got in Malawi, Africa.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fabulous.
So it's kind of special. So, yeah. As I said in my video, if I tried to plan this, I never would have been able to, but my patterns just connect in both of those, and it's just all nice and centered.
What do you mean? You didn't plan that?
I didn't plan it.
Hey,
No.
you mean that's a different piece of stuff there, right?
Huh?
That's a different piece of stuff.
Yeah, it's folded up.
And you didn't plan
No.
for that to look perfect?
No.
It just did?
It just did.
What's that all about?
Well, if I tried it, it never would have been
Well, that's
perfect.
exactly right. That's the way it always is with me
Yeah.
every time I try to do. Why don't you show us what this is? Let's go look at the other one you got in there, because a lot of people are looking at that and they say, what is that, a money belt or who knows what, you know what I mean? But Honey Baby was explaining this to me the other day. She made one of these and it had a hook on each end and it kind of sagged in the middle.
It had a dowel. It
had a dowel across the two ends, so she hung two more hooks in it to make it hang straight. And this is
tabs on.
well, she made it to put all the little chargers in for cell phones, cameras, iPads, all that other fun stuff.
Yeah.
I was telling her we could also put glasses in there.
Yeah.
We put keys in there. We could put anything in there. But anyway, so she's made another one for her daughter. In-law.
Yep.
And you're going to make up a few of these and sell them at the flea market.
I'm gonna do up 2 5-pocket ones, and I've done a 4-pocket one. So I'm gonna do a smaller one too that has 4 pockets.
It's totally
and I will include the little hooks with them.
Yeah.
So it comes with the hooks, and I'm gonna do up a little flyer that has like installation.
Yeah. Well, hey, you can't beat that.
I did a couple pictures, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So.
Good work, honey.
Yeah.
Good work.
Second one. So that's cool. I mean, it's going to be easy to ship because they just fold up, nice and small, and stick them in a box, and off they go.
Off they go.
Yeah.
Well, good for you.
Yeah.
Good work.
All right.
Good work.